I told myself if I don't sit down and film this now, I'm never gonna pick up the camera again. Let's catch up, okay? We gotta catch up. I low-key like just stopped posting for the summer. Not intentional at all. It never is. But that's what we're here to work on, because we are back to getting our lives together. This year was weird. It was weird. Like, that's the only way I can put it. Things happened, but things didn't. I don't even know what that means. Feeling like you need to cram everything into these last 3 months because you felt like you did not get your goals accomplished for this year. I'm there. The amount of time I spent on trying to come up with a system that will work for me, I spent a lot of time. Okay. I'm the type of person where I'm constantly changing my systems, hoping that it'll help me. I don't know. If this fails, y'all, I'm like deleting my Notion. I'm deleting it at this point. Like, no, I'm just kidding. Like, everything, I love Notion. But my problem is I am very detail oriented, very perfectionist personality type. So I go all out and I do too much. And my wish, honestly, is that this system works for me. I don't have a drink. I don't have chai. Like, I don't even make chai anymore. Like, what has become of me? I do have my stand. If you guys have your chai, matcha, whatever, grab something, grab a drink, grab a snack. Life updates. I think you guys know I have a job, part-time job right now. I don't want to share too much on it yet because I'm in the process of some things right now. My mental health has been places since. Let's just say that. Another update is that I made affirmation cards. They are digital affirmation cards. I printed some out. I wanted to see what it would look like and I love it. I took my time on these too. Like, it took me a few good weeks to finish this. I did add in custom affirmations that helped me get through things. I have affirmations for literally like 11 different aspects of life. I wanted to have everything in there. It took me forever, but we got it done. They are on Etsy and they're also in my link in bio on my Instagram. Mindset is everything. Like, and I used to just say that, but now I understand. Now I get it. The way you talk to yourself, the things that you believe, the things you tell yourself really controls the type of life that you have. Enough of that. What else happens? I don't know. I went to like 2 weddings, I think. That's pretty much it. I'm still living at home, as you can see. Nothing crazy happened, and that's low-key the problem. So I want some like craziness in my life, like good craziness though. I need something new, like new hair, something small or big, I don't know. I did go through and write out a bunch of goals that I want to work on. I do want to eventually release out this Notion for you guys. I don't know yet. I think I'm gonna give away one free version, which is like the older version that I used to use, and then this new version that I made, I am probably going to sell that one just because it's taken me weeks. Keep in mind, this is severely unfinished. Like, okay, not severely, but so this is the 2024 goals page, y'all. Again, like I said, it's not finished, but I need to get this video out. I need to film it, otherwise it's never gonna get done. So this is what I have here. I have the page navigation. This is just like links to the different sections in this page so I can easily find it. Here I have the theme. I wrote out like an actual sentence, so like faith, consistency, discipline, courage. Then here is where you will put your vision board. So this is a database with all my goals. I added a photo for the pages. It kind of acts as a vision board in a sense. I honestly, with habits, I don't think Notion is the best with that for me. I kind of like to use different apps to track my habits. I think it's a little bit easier. Let's get into yearly goals. So database for my goals, but I started using databases this year. I don't know if it was a good decision for me, but I want to see if it'll work. So this is what I came up with. New goals inbox. This is where if I have a new goal, I would put it here. And then once I assign it a date of when I want to do it, it will go in one of these views. Whether it's a monthly goal, a quarterly goal, or a yearly goal, it will go in there automatically due to this filter. And then all goals is just a view of everything, just so I know like nothing goes missing. So I always have a table where there's just everything there, just so I can see everything. I separated it into big project, habit, and mini goals. The reasoning behind that is because prioritization is everything. Because you can't do everything and you shouldn't do everything. Or you shouldn't try to do everything. and that's my problem. I'm really working on that. Prioritizing big projects is something that will take a lot of effort to do. Mini goals is something that is more laid back, something that doesn't take a lot of effort. And a habit, obviously you guys know what a habit is. That's something that doesn't have an end date. That's something that I'm going to continue doing. I really have 7 big projects and 7 mini goals. I just hid some of them just because some of them are more personal. This is what I have on the table. So I have make $3,000 from social media. It might not seem like a lot. I'm learning to be more realistic. So this is one of my goals. Another one is to reach 20K subscribers by the end of the year and then move into an apartment. This is something that I want to start working on now so that by next year I will be able to do this. Some of my mini goals are to sign to a talent agency, which is something I've been wanting to do forever now, but I really haven't applied myself. So I'm getting into it and hopefully this system will help me. I need to pay off my credit cards. I just don't like having balances on my credit card at all. I just don't feel comfortable with it, so I do want to pay off my credit cards. I bought out my car. I paid it down until it was $3,000 left on the loan. And then what I did was I transferred the balance over to one of my credit cards so that my car is paid off. The balance transfer allowed me to have a balance for up to, I think, a year with no interest. So it's going to end up saving me money in the long run. That's like a whole nother thing to explain. My mom is the one who taught me this. That's one of the reasons why I need to pay off my credit cards. Also just because spending and like my income severely decreased recently, so I need to get it back up. Sorry for the lighting change. But anyway, next is to read 3 books. That's simple enough. Next is to learn how to do Notion formulas and coding. I kind of learned that, so I can't honestly cross this off, but I do want to learn a little bit more. Impact is how much will this change your life? So a high impact goal is something that will, if you complete this goal, it will be a life-changing thing for you. What I'm trying to do is have my high impact goals be my top priority. Low impact would be something that would be nice to do, but it wouldn't really be like a life-changing thing. We're in test mode right now, but this here is why is this goal important. So you quickly write out why you want to achieve this goal. How will it change my life? Achieve blink so that I can blink, whatever. For example, achieve 20K subscribers so that I can grow my community, increase my income so that I can eventually become full-time or make full-time income on social media. Now, identity shift is the mind shift change that you will need to make to reach this goal, like reframing negative thoughts that have been holding you back. That's what you would write out here. Brainstorm what you could do to achieve this goal. Honestly, I think I might take this out. Here, you would write out all the tasks it would take to achieve this goal. So one thing I can do is post a video every week, repost my TikToks onto shorts, promo my videos and my channel more. You want to try to be as specific as you can, and then you would write out when you would do it, what month, what type of task it is. Is it a task? Is it a habit? Try to stick to only like 5 different habits or strategies. Yeah, another thing here you can add is the priority. Is it urgent, not urgent, important, not important? For something like reach 20K subscribers, this is a goal that is out of my control. It's something that has a number attached to it. We know now not to attach ourselves to the outcome of our goals and just to work towards them. Habit-wise, I haven't figured out a tracking system yet, but the key results tracker is something that I really like. So let's say I said I want to reach 20K. A key result will be reaching 13K, which I have. Thank you guys so much. For real. Like, love you guys. Then another could be reaching 14,000. So when you check this off, I hit 13,000, I'll just say October 1st. You'll see the key results progress at 25%. And then finally 20,000, it'll say 100%. This is the main reason why I wanted to do a database. I was this close to deleting this database because I'm like, I just can't figure this out. It's too much. But seeing a progress bar when you are completing a project or a goal, it just makes me want to keep going. I just love to see the progress that I'm making. Otherwise, I was about to go back to pen and paper. And I don't know. We're going to see how this works out. Because that might still happen. You can see why this was like doing my head in for like the past 2 weeks. One thing I went through and redid was my life vision and purpose. Write out all the different categories in your life and then how you want your life to be in those different categories. And that will help you create your long-term goals, short-term goals, yearly, monthly, everything. I don't really like planning like far out. I really prefer to plan like quarterly or monthly, honestly. Scrolling down, we have my quarterly goals. This is just like where I kept like my monthly pages, but for this quarter, so if this is more of your simple way to break down your quarterly goals, but it also has my monthly pages in there. And then here to the right is 2024 bucket list. I just made this too, even though 2024 is almost over. These are certain things that I want to do. There's certain things that I already did. I added these in here just so I can check them off to make it seem like I did do things this year. I did. You know what I mean? So this is just a bucket list of things that you want to do. So the tasks are connected to the projects and the projects are connected to my goals. If this system doesn't work out for me, I still learned so much about goal setting. Like, I thought I was so good at goal setting until I did this. It's really just about mindset, and it's about prioritizing and making your goals actionable, not just writing stuff down on a piece of paper and forgetting about them. I still don't know how I want to organize or like track my habits yet. I might just use like a habit tracker on my phone. So quickly, I'm just gonna tell you guys some habits that I want to start for this new quarter. I want to start taking collagen daily. Another top habit for me is to follow a morning and night routine for 30 days straight. 30 days straight, because that's how I know that it will be a habit. Also to follow a daily routine for 30 days. And then another key habit, it's kind of funny. When I go to the bathroom, instead of bringing my phone, bring a book instead. This is low-key like TMI, but it's funny. The amount of time I spend on my phone in the bathroom, I don't even want to think about all the stuff I could be getting done. There's times where I don't bring my phone to the bathroom and I'm in and out in like 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Or social habits is to like plan date nights once per month. Go see family more, at least like once per month. And this is like long distance family. And then spend time with like family on Sundays. So yeah, those are just some habits. I wanted to share those with you guys. Just in case you guys wanted to know or needed ideas and stuff. This video is gonna be long. I hope it's not boring. I hope it wasn't all over the place. I just really wanted to sit down and film, catch up with you guys and get a video out there. If I'm rusty, I'm sorry. I'm gonna get it back together, I promise you. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, join the fam. Thank you guys for sticking by me, okay? If you haven't already, please follow my other socials, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye.